Hey everyone! Just got this cool flying ball spinner toy, check out the box. Let's see what's inside. Alright, opening it up, and here it is. It's pretty lightweight, feels sturdy though. The charging part seems straightforward too. It comes with a USB cable, so you can easily charge it up for continuous play. They say it's durable, so hopefully, it'll survive a few accidental bumps. And look at these LEDs. They're supposed to light up when it spins, making it perfect for some nighttime fun. This thing is supposed to spin, fly, and even boomerang back. Remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more unboxings and reviews. Hey there! Excited to show you the latest electric nail clipper. Check out the box. Opening the box. We've got a sleekly designed clipper with a durable tungsten steel blade. Impressive! Check out this handy side switch. Let's test it. Smooth trimming, night-friendly light, and it's super quiet. No disturbance at all. A quick peek at how to clear the clippings. Super clean and hassle-free. 2 speeds, gentle for kids, powerful for adults. We've got our clipper, charging cable, and cleaning brush. All set for perfect nails. For more unboxing videos. Hey everyone! Today, we're unboxing the latest Galaxy Watch 6 Classic. Here's the box. Sleek and compact, as expected from Samsung. Let's dive right in. Inside the box, we have a USB cable and a magnetic charging dock, perfect for a quick power-up. And of course, the essential quick start guide. Wow, look at this stunning 47mm black design. The build quality feels premium. It's surprisingly lightweight for its size. Really loving this initial feel. That's a quick unboxing of the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech Hey everyone! Today, we're unboxing a super cool flying drone. Let's dive in and see what's inside this box. Check out this amazing blade top. It looks really futuristic. We've got a USB cable and an instruction book here. Essential for any gadget. Let's turn this on and, whoa, it's spinning. Oops, got a bit out of control there. Trying again. And there we go, it's flying. How cool is that? Catch you in the next one. Welcome to our unboxing of the Swiss rechargeable neck fan, your perfect companion for staying cool on the go. Let's take a quick look around the box. Now, let's dive in. Here it is, the bladeless neck fan. Notice its lightweight design and modern aesthetics. Notice the sleek design and compact size, perfect for travel. And here's the USB charging cable, ensuring easy and convenient charging. A gentle, cooling breeze starts with just a press. Press again, and feel the increased airflow, even more refreshing. And for those extra hot days, the third mode offers maximum cooling. Stay cool, wherever you go. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more unboxing videos. Hey folks, excited to unbox this little gadget with you. Just gonna zip through this tape real quick. And here we are, the guest of honor. Can't wait to see what this mini printer can do. What do we have here? The USB cable, always important. Okay, let's take a closer look at this beauty. Really liking the size of it. There's the paper roll. Now for the fun part. Let's print something right for my phone. And here's the moment of truth. Look at this crisp black and white print. Pretty cool, right? Remember to like and subscribe for more unboxing videos. See you guys in the next one. Hey there, friends. Get ready for something pretty cool we're unboxing today. Alright, let's dive in and see what goodies we've got here. Here's the glasses box. We'll check this out in just a sec. Look at this cute little cleaner spray. And here's the guide. What's this? A coupon and a super soft cleaning cloth. Okay, it's time for the main event, the glasses box. Inside here, we've got this neat little fabric pouch. Fancy. And inside this, a secure plastic zip bag. Double protection. And here is this beauty, sleek, thin-frame screen glasses. Check out that product detail. Stylish and functional, that's how we roll. Thanks for unboxing with me. Hit like and subscribe for more fun like this. Hey everyone. We're unboxing the Meta Quest Active straps for Touch Plus controllers today. Let's find out what's inside this box. Here we have a receipt and a neatly packed bag. And this is what we've been waiting for. Time to open it up and check out the contents. Inside, we've got the straps and some guides. These straps look pretty solid. Let's see how easy it is to swap these on. Fits perfectly, it's secure and comfortable. There you have it. If you enjoyed this, hit like and subscribe. See you next time.